guys, I'm Chip, and today's video is going to be a short one, but it's a very important one. So anyway, my scrapper friend brought me a machine that was in great shape. I was surprised. The paint was almost perfect. There were no scratches on it. The tub was clean. The agitator dogs were good. Everything was just pristine for a used washer. And when I ran it through its diagnostic test, I couldn't find one thing wrong with it. I guess if I had been listening closer, I'd have found what the problem was right off. But anyway, I didn't. And so anyway, I wiped the dust off and I put it on the test rack, and this is what I found.
So what we got here is an Amana washing machine. Wash motor. Look at it. I have a noisy motor. I'm going to change the motor to make it work better. Same machine in spin mode. Noisy motor. I'm going to have to change that motor. I don't know if the bearings are going out on it or what, but I have plenty of spare motors. We'll change it, see if that fixes it. I hope it's not the gearbox.
Now unfortunately, my Insta360 camera that I usually put right here had a low battery, and I had to film most of this job with my iPhone, and I'm not too good holding a phone while I'm trying to work with, and I need both my hands. So the removal of the motor is not going to be shown here. Anyway, I did remove the motor, and here's a comparison of it alongside a good used motor that I had. And now you can tell a big difference in the sound of the two.
That one works better.
Pretty sure the noise is a bearing failure, but the shaft still spun freely, so it might have been something else. Maybe one of you guys knows a different reason for this kind of noise. If you do, please let me know by commenting below.
Copyright strike for that.
Now, if you followed this installation, it's just a reverse of what I did to remove the bad motor. And you can see the difficulty I was having holding the iPhone and trying to install the motor with one hand. I just eventually gave up. But because this is a problem that you as a technician will come across often, I thought I should make this video anyway. So after the installation, I moved the machine back to the test rack, and I put a big load of towels in it, and here's the result.
Yeah, that's much quieter now, isn't it? It's a bad motor.
Now if you got value out of this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. That's how YouTube knows that people are watching my stuff, and they put it out there for others to see too. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.